Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find out the determinant of this thing. So, if you will observe this matrix, you will find out that we have A, B, C. After A, it is B. After B, it is C. After B, it is C. And after C, it is A. C, A, and after A it is B. So it is following cyclic in every possible way. So B, C, A, C, A, B, A, B, C. So it is following its pattern, okay? And this is also one of the important form. So what we have to do, you have to find out the determinant of this thing and you have to memorize it. So the numbers are different, okay? So what I will do, I will directly open the determinant because here I cannot find out the pattern. So I will open the determinant along this row. So it is A times BC minus A square minus B times B square minus AC plus C times AB minus C square. Okay, now let's open this thing. So we got ABC minus A cube. We got minus B cube plus ABC. We got ABC minus C cube. So we have 3 times ABC minus A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So this is your result which you have to memorize. Now till this time we guys have certain determinants, certain important determinants which we have memorized. The first one was what? 1a square, 1b square, 1cc square. So it is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, correct? Then we have 1a cube, 1b cube, 1cc cube, and we have find out its value to be a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and a plus b plus c. Okay, and we have also calculated the value of this thing. It goes this way: a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, and ab, bc, ac, correct? So this three thing is common everywhere. Okay, so try to memorize this thing. And also the final was this, which we have calculated 3 times abc minus a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.